بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Iqbal. I'm an actor. I've just written one lecture which was yesterday, and there are a lot of things that have changed in me since yesterday. And it's been really, really easy. Very, very easy. And I want to give credit to my sister. She's really pushed me for it. She attended, my sister Rubina, she attended the Bangalore, the trainer's lesson, and she got back, and since then she's pushing everybody. And I've been in Bombay for a very long time, and you know, there are a lot of lectures that happen, and I've been for a lot of lectures, and I've realized that most of them say the same thing. And I used to keep telling her that ये सारे एक ही चीज़ बोलते हैं, सारे चीज़ में, और बोलना बहुत आसान होता है, अप्लाई करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है, you know, the usual stuff. But then she really got onto my nerves for some time, you know. Like खाने में नमक कम है, तू एक बार लेक्चर अटेंड कर ले. Flush नहीं चल रहा, एक बार लेक्चर अटेंड कर ले. You complain for anything and she would just say लेक्चर अटेंड कर ले. I just, out of just irritation, I said, चल ठीक है, I'll come with you. First day I couldn't, I had some work, I couldn't, and second day was yesterday, and I came and I sat. I did not come with an expectation at all. I thought, you know, it was just maybe one of those, maybe because we're Muslims and, you know, I had a little bit of inclination towards, it said, transform within yourself through Quran and Sunnah. But my sister told me, you know, it'll not be the regular preachy stuff, you know. I was so excited. You can ask my sister. I reached home and I was so excited. I wanted to tell my dad and mom. You know, in fact, both of us were like silly kids. I mean, I'm 37. She's my older sister. We were like silly kids yesterday. We were enacting that whole bag thing in front of dad, mom about, you know, forgiving people, and we picked up bean bags and we were like, "Ye lo, ye aa gaya forgiveness ka ye." We were mad. So you can imagine how excited we were. And just one day, I think Sir has some. Alhamdulillah, of course, God has given him some light, and I think without a master, it's impossible to achieve. No matter how many workshops you go for, you need that one master. You can't just go through that without master. I hope everybody gets that master. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.